אנגלית שאלון ג' מודיול C גרסה א', תש"ע מועד ב'. הוראות מיוחדות. 1. עליך לכתוב את כל תשובותיך בגוף השאלון במקומות המיועדים לכך. 2. כתוב את כל תשובותיך באנגלית ובעת בלבד. אסור להשתמש בטיפקס. 3. בתום הבחינה החזר את השאלון למשגיח. ההנחיות בשאלון זה מנוסחות בלשון זכר ומכוונות לנבחנות ולנבחנים כאחד.
Access to information from written text.
הבנת הנקרא. קרא את הקטע שלפניך וענה על השאלות 1-11.
Read the report below and then answer questions 1 to 11. The noise around us. Nowadays, we experience noise almost everywhere, in our homes, at work, and in public places. During the day, we often suffer from the noise of traffic, airplanes, and construction work. At night, we continue to be disturbed by traffic, car alarms, and barking dogs. It seems that noise pollution is all around us, and we can't avoid it. Many studies on children and adults have found that noise pollution is not only unpleasant, but also causes stress. Stress can damage people's health and cause emotional and behavior problems. At night, noise is especially stressful as it can affect the quality of sleep. When people's sleep is disturbed night after night, they often become angry and aggressive. Noise pollution is also harmful to people's hearing. Adults may suffer from hearing problems because of loud noise at work. Young people, on the other hand, may damage their hearing by listening to music at a high volume for long periods of time. Hearing problems can change young people's behavior and affect their schoolwork. Noise has a negative effect on schoolwork, even when it doesn't cause hearing problems. Many studies have found that a noisy environment in schools can harm students' abilities to read, to solve problems, and to develop social relationships. One study, for example, was done in a school located near a train station in New York. The researchers found that students in classrooms that were opposite the train station had more reading difficulties compared to the students on the quiet side of the school. None of the students in either group had hearing problems. Their reading problems were the result of difficulty in concentrating and understanding what the teacher was saying. The study also found that students in noisy classrooms misbehaved more and were less helpful to other students. People who are fighting noise pollution say that it reminds them of the fight against smoking. For a long time, people weren't aware of the dangers of smoking in public places, just as now people don't understand the dangers of noise pollution. Hopefully, the fight against noise pollution will succeed in the near future. Otherwise, more people will be harmed.
ענה באנגלית על השאלות 1-11 על פי הקטע שקראת. בשאלות 1, 2, 3, 9 ו-11 הקף במעגל את המספר של התשובה הנכונה. בשאר השאלות ענה לפי ההוראות.
Answer questions 1 to 11 in English according to the report. In questions 1, 2, 3, 9, and 11, circle the number of the correct answer. In the other questions, follow the instructions. 1. In lines 1 to 4, the writer 1 reports studies about noise pollution. 2 explains how to lower noise pollution. 3 describes how noise harms people's health. 4 gives examples of noise pollution. 2. What does the writer say about noise at night? Lines 5 to 9. 1. It is something people get used to. 2. It causes people to sleep badly. 3. It can easily be avoided. 4. It damages people's hearing. 3. What are we told about stress in lines 5 to 9? 1. It can cause hearing problems. 2. It affects mostly adults. 3. It is the result of noise pollution. 4. It has an effect on schoolwork. 4. How can noise at night affect people's behavior during the day? Lines 5 to 9. 5. According to lines 10 to 13, how do teenagers develop hearing problems? 6. In what way can hearing problems affect the lives of teenagers? Give one way. Lines 10 to 13. 7. Why did students who studied in a noisy environment have reading difficulties? Give one reason. Lines 14 to 23. 8. How can noise affect the way students behave with other people? Give one way. Lines 14 to 23. 9. The writer compares the fight against noise to the anti-smoking fight in order to show that, lines 24 to 28. 1. There are differences between the two kinds of pollution. 2. It is difficult to make people aware of dangers. 3. Smoking is more harmful than noise pollution. 4. There are many ways to fight pollution. 10. Complete the sentence, lines 24 to 28. The writer says that if noise pollution doesn't stop soon, 11. Another title for this report can be 1. Teenagers and noise. 2. Disturbances at school. 3. How to stop noise pollution. 4. The dangers of noise.
בהצלחה.